7 Strategies to Build Wealth Even with Little Money. Hello and welcome to this video. Do you think you need a lot of money to build wealth? Think again. In this video, I'll show you 7 smart strategies to help you build long-term financial freedom, even on a small income. You don't need to inherit millions or have a 6-figure job. What you need is knowledge, discipline, and the right plan. Let's get started. Strategy 1. Increase your savings rate, even if it's just a little. The first and most important step to building wealth is to save consistently. Many people say, "I don't earn enough to save." But that's a mistake in thinking. You don't need big amounts, you need consistency. Instead of focusing on how much you save, focus on your savings rate, the percentage of your income that you put aside. Even saving just 5 to 10% per month makes a huge difference over time, especially thanks to compound interest. Example. If you save €50 per month at 6% interest, after 30 years you'll have over €50,000, even though you only contributed €18,000 yourself. The trick is to automate your savings. Set up a standing order right after you receive your salary. That way, you only spend what's left, not the other way around. Strategy 2. Eliminate debt, especially consumer debt. Before you start investing, take a good look at your liabilities. Especially dangerous overdrafts, credit cards, and installment payments, they carry high interest rates. These kinds of debt often cost you 10 to 15% per year, more than most investments can earn. As long as you have this type of debt, you're not working for your wealth, you're working for the bank. That's why the priority should be to pay off consumer debt, using either the snowball method, start with the smallest debt, or the avalanche method, start with the highest interest. Every euro of debt you pay off is like making a guaranteed investment with high returns. Strategy 3. Invest instead of just saving, even small amounts count. Saving alone won't get you rich, you need to put your money to work for you. Luckily, you no longer need a fortune to get started. With ETF savings plans, stocks, crypto, or even real estate crowdfunding, you can start investing with just €10 to €25 per month. Why is that important? Because inflation slowly erodes the value of money sitting in a bank account. Investments, on the other hand, typically return 6 to 8% per year over the long term. ETFs that track global markets, like MSCI World or All Country World, are perfect for beginners. Well diversified. Low fees, historically stable performance, even if you can only invest small amounts. Start now. The best time to invest was yesterday. The second best time is today. Strategy 4. Increase your income, even beyond your day job. Building wealth with little money doesn't just mean saving more, you also need to grow your income. Here are some simple ways to earn more, even without startup capital. Part-time jobs. Tutoring, delivery, dog walking, waiting tables. Online services. Writing, translating, graphic design, coaching. Selling online, on eBay, Vinted, Etsy, Amazon FBA. Freelancing. Via platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or TopTal. Digital products. Ebooks, courses, templates, printables. Even small side hustles that bring in €100 minus €300 a month can make a big impact, especially if you invest 100% of it. Don't think, "I don't have time." Instead, ask, "How can I get the most value out of 1 hour a day?" Strategy 5. Avoid lifestyle inflation, even when you earn more. One of the biggest financial mistakes people make, as soon as they earn more, they also spend more. That's called lifestyle inflation. Example. You get a raise, and instead of saving more, you buy a new phone, move to a bigger apartment, or take fancier vacations. The problem? Your wealth doesn't grow. Instead, every time you get a raise or earn more, say, "I'll increase my savings and investments, not my spending." The longer you keep your lifestyle lean, the faster your wealth grows. Minimalism isn't sacrifice, it's an investment in freedom. Strategy 6. Build financial knowledge. Education is everything. If you're starting with little money, you may not have capital, but you likely have time and curiosity. That's a massive advantage. Today, financial education is freely available. YouTube channels about investing, ETFs, crypto. Books like The Richest Man in Babylon, Rich Dad Poor Dad, or The Simple Path to Wealth. podcasts, blogs, and online courses. The better your knowledge, the better your decisions, and the fewer expensive mistakes you'll make. Learn how compound interest works, the difference between good and bad debt, how to manage risk, how to build passive income streams. Remember, your wealth grows with your wisdom. Strategy 7. Be consistent. Patience beats luck. This may be the most important strategy of all. Stick with it. Many people give up because they don't see quick results. But building wealth is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Compound interest only starts to show its true power after 10 to 20 years. That means you need persistence, patience, and consistency. Let's be real. You won't get rich overnight. But if you stay the course, you can become financially strong and independent. If you start at 25 and invest just €100 per month, you could have over €100,000 by the time you're 55, depending on returns, possibly much more. Consistency beats timing. Final thoughts. You can build wealth, even with little money. Let's recap the 7 strategies. 1. Increase your savings rate, even if it's just a little. 2. Pay off high-interest debt, especially consumer debt. 3. Start investing, even small amounts matter. 4. Grow your income, through side hustles or online gigs. 5. Avoid lifestyle inflation, even as you earn more. 6. Educate yourself, consistently and for free. 7. Stay consistent, and let time and compounding do the work. Wealth doesn't start with money, it starts with the decision to become financially free. You don't need €10,000 to start, you need a plan, motivation, and discipline. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and drop a comment. Which strategy are you already using, and which one will you start today? Until next time, and don't forget, your financial future starts today.